Hi, in this video we'll go over how to enter standards progress and finalize your grades. So from your homepage in PowerTeacher Pro, first make sure you're in the correct trimester, then click on grading, then standards. Here's your list of students for homeroom and your list of standards, the SEL standards. So when you enter scores for students, you can click on the cell, for example, SES1, your score inspector shows up. You can click on the appropriate grade for that student and click enter, or you can just go ahead and use your keyboard to enter grades. If most of your students are developing in SES1, then you can highlight one of those cells and then click fill, and it'll fill in that same score for all of your students. And then you can go back and correct for individual students as you go through. During this process, you want to save often. So I would recommend really anytime you enter in an entire standard, you probably want to click save. There's also the fill across option. So if student A is a strong, then I can also fill across, and that student is doing outstanding in all his or her SEL standards. If you have students who have, if it's a particular standard that you have not yet assessed students on, then you can use the star to indicate that it's not been assessed, and then again you can use your fill to fill a star for all of your students. Okay, just to show you what some of these other labels look like, if for for example, you've given a developing grade for this student, but your assessment of that student is incomplete, then you can click the incomplete label and this blue box shows up. If a student is exempt from that particular standard, you can click exempt, and you'll notice that the score shows up differently for that student. And again, as I mentioned in the previous video, these are only for special circumstances. Normally you would not use these labels. Okay, I'm going to unexempt that student. Click save. All right, the last thing I want to show you here is the progress grade. So let's say that you've now entered in all of the individual grades for the SEL standards, and you're now ready for the progress grade. Notice that once I click on a progress grade cell, I have a different grading scale, which I can check under Show More if I want to see what those mean. But I also have a comment box. So this is where you can write comments specifically about your students for these standards. Once I enter in comments, and you can click save. And you'll see that once you've entered comments, then there's a little indicator that you have done a comment for that student. If I go to another class like math, so again, I can see that I have 3 pages of standards for math. I can click on any cell and show my full list of standards under hierarchy. And then once I'm ready to enter into the standards, I can use this keypad, or I can just use my keyboard to indicate the standards for all of those students. And click save. You'll notice that once I entered scores in, a black triangle and a gear icon show up. You can pretty much ignore those. Those have to do with elements of PowerTeacher Pro that we're not currently using. Okay, so then you can go through all of your courses and enter all of the standards for each of your students. You're clicking save early and often. And then once everything is done, oh, there's one more thing that I wanted to show here. Notice that when I'm on my progress grade, I have yet another comment field entry for math. So once you've entered everything, you're ready for final grade status. So when you finalize your grades, you click on Final Grade Status. And there's a box next to Final Grades Are Complete. Click that box, write a message to your secretary like, "My grades are complete." And then click Save.